Mauni ang bridge nila nga mo open kung moagi ang mga boat sa ato lahi man. So akong ipakita sa inyo, i-control the water from the sea arm and then going to the boat. So mauni siya mag-stop ang mga car dere pag open na siya og sugod. Meaning ang boat is on the way coming. So inani ang ilang bridge, ang ilang tulay. So mo-open ni siya sama ana, and then both side dili gyud ka katabok. You cannot cross over, even walking, even cycling. So you have to stop.
It's long, ha? Important, no?
Sa ato lahi man gayud sa ato.
Only one boat or two boats, I think? Because only one boat. Oh. Three boats. How folly ay. Is it so durable? That one.
Bridge?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm?
100 year?
And the year? Because it is wood. I think. Wood, that one.
Wood and steel.
Huh? Wood and steel.
With the bullet.
Hmm.
Not an ordinary boat, huh?
So which side?